this is the RV Mama of 4, and I am here to show you the Solitude by Grand Design. It's the 373 FB model, and it will make you relaxed. It has all the comfort features that you can imagine. It's about 45 feet, so it is a great size for families, and I can't wait to show you all the details inside. It's got a beautiful kitchen, a large bedroom, and lots of outside storage, so that when you get to the campground, you are ready to go and have some fun and to come back and relax in a beautiful RV. It also is one of their top models that sells great, so it's good for resale. Let's go check it out. So we're going to take a look at the outside storage. This is the 373 FB Grand Design Solitude. You could fit some small children in here. I have plenty of children that would love to actually come here. I'm sure this is probably magnetic. Yes, it is. So you can see that this has a ton of space in here, and it's got the hoses and stuff right here that are really convenient. We're always struggling. We currently have a 35-foot bumper pool, and we have nothing like this for storage. Our storage looks more like this, and so it's always an issue. I have to keep all of these hoses in the back of my truck. This is fabulous that this has so much space in here and that it's magnetic. I think every one of my kids and myself have gotten a headache from this falling on our head on my current RV. We're just going to close that back up so the next person can see it. This is a propane tank holder, which is also nice because it's inside and not exposed to the elements, especially in Colorado. Okay, let's go take a look inside. This has so much space. You're gonna love the inside of this. And this is something I have never seen in an RV. I literally wish that I could just pick this up and take it into my current RV, because it is a problem that we have had for a while. We winter RV in Breckenridge, outside of Breckenridge, for the last 2 winters so that we can go up and ski and snowboard on the weekend. And our RV is ready to go. We literally just turn the red key and we are ready to turn on the heat and hit the road skiing. But with all of our winter coats and winter gear living in Colorado, there's not a lot of space to put them. We have snow pants and we have gloves and hats and we have jackets, and they're puffy. This is absolutely fabulous. This is a 2023, and I think they're finally realizing that a lot of people want to camp in the winter and that is a big issue. It looks like over here, this is probably the pantry. Let's take a look inside. Nope, okay, it's actually the bathroom. So they have a front bathroom in here that you can see. It's pretty standard. So this is a great island. This is really long. I don't normally see islands this long in an RV, and it has these which protect while you're driving, so that's fabulous. And it also creates like a cutting board surface. I personally want more space. So when we are choosing our fifth wheel, the #1 requirement that we have is no island. But a lot of people love it if you have a smaller family. This provides so much counter space. And one of the upsides for this is if you do have a bigger family and you're okay with having an island, you could have parties in here, you could have room for your food, there's room to have set out a buffet, and you can still work on the other side. You also have counter space here where you could work and put food out when you're entertaining. So this one has a nice table. This table would not be big enough for our family, but if you have a smaller family, there are actually 4 chairs, and they're back to back, and they fold up, as you can see, which is a great feature of this 2023 for when you're traveling. It also has blinds that go up and down with way more ease than the traditional ones, where you have to hold both sides and push them up and pull them down. This is so much easier. This is a really nice RV. The couch is nice and comfortable. Do you like my RV pants? And this folds out into a bed, and it's actually automatic. So you don't have to do it the manual way like you traditionally do, where you have to pick it up, pull it out, pull down the legs. So it's got plenty of seating, which is why they really like this. Lots of seating. So we're now in the bedroom. This is a really nice bedroom. There is tons of space, walking space, space to change. In my current RV, one of my biggest issues is I don't have anywhere to change except for next to the bed. So I have a little more space than this, but this one is really nice because you can change right here in the aisleway. It also has a dresser, and that is super nice to have 6 drawers like that. And these are actually storage. It's amazing. You already have a spot for your coat, so you can put shoes, purses, belts, whatever you want in there. This comes with the TV. A lot of them don't come with a TV in the bedroom. They just come in with a hookup. And this is a really nice big TV. This is nice because you have privacy. This door actually slides open. You can see that it's got the panels that are dark. And this is a whole second bedroom. Wow, this is really nice in here. The lights don't work, so hopefully you can see. But this is a great spa shower. It's not super tall. I'm 5'8", and oh yeah. So if you're much taller than 5'8", you have a little space from here to here, but if you're like 6'2", that might be a little bit tight. Then when you come in here, this is a gem. It's got 2 sinks, a his and her sink, which is huge. I love that. But then back here, this has a walk-in closet. That is extremely unusual in an RV. You can really see all the different cubby holes that you can put stuff in, that you can literally, it's got hanging bars and you can put all kinds of things in there. So that's a great option as well. We're gonna go off to the next RV.